Imagine you're making a cool poster in Canva, but the picture is too big and the text is tiny. Resizing things in Canva is like fixing that. Here's why it's handy. You can shrink a giant picture to make space for other stuff, or enlarge text so everyone can read it easily. So learning this can be very helpful. So let's jump right into this video now, and I'm going to show you how to change the size of objects in Canva. So what you have to do here, I have this object here. Is actually, this is a title, and this is actually a thumbnail for my YouTube channel. And as you can see, is actually it has this size. Now if I grab it, I can move it. I have this corner here. If I grab this and drag inwards, is actually changing its size, and you can also see the size here. Now if I hold the Alt, will actually stay put, like the sizes are the same. It's not shrinking, because if you're not, it's still not shrinking, but like this, you are like changing the size inwards instead of on this portion. So if you only want to change the size on this position, is you should hold Alt instead of not holding Alt, then we'll zoom in this corner. This way will actually zoom in actually the center point, which is actually in the middle here. But now if you don't hold Alt, the center point is located here, and you'll actually resize or change the size from that point. If you grab this here, you can actually crop it. If you want to crop, you can do it like this. Now another way, you can also go to, we see here, edit image, we have crop. We can also crop from here, and we can also change the position from here. Click on position, and here we can move it from here. You move it if you want to move it, but you don't want to move it. If you want to crop it, you can actually crop it from here, 15 by 15, let's say, I don't know. And now it's just a dot. If you're cropping, let's say 100 here, there's, the weight here is changing, so you have the ratio, it's actually locked in, which is great. If you don't want to, you want this kind of, size. And now, size of the text you can change again from here. Just grab it and drag inwards to change to have a smaller size, or to bigger you have to drag outwards. With this, if you made a mistake, you can go back from here. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and now I'll see you in the next Canva tutorial. Take care.